Alright, hi, how you doing? Someone decided to break into my car and destroy the lid to my center console. So I took it apart. This is the plate, the plastic piece that is part of it. Then you've got your lever, the little push tab, so that it'll open. And then you got the pad that goes on top. This is really what they destroyed, and it's a hard plastic underside, and they just didn't know what they were doing. And instead of using the little push button, they just took a screwdriver or something, beat the everlasting crap out of it. So we're gonna put this together. First thing we're gonna do is take this, put this inside of it, and it's not too complicated. You just slide the thing in, so you got the lever here, because this is like the release thing when you push the tab in. And then you want to put it all on top of this and get this mounted first before you do anything. Alright, so hopefully you can get a good view of this. There we go. The most important part is making sure that the lever moves, so you can get your release for when you slap it down. So now, 4 more screws left, and hope they don't drop a whole bunch of them. The idea here is at least get 1 or 2 going, so I can free up a hand to screw this in. That went in perfect, awesome. Knock on wood, so far everything's aligning really well. I've now got my center console back. So, don't know how well you can see black on black, but I got my center console back, and that's what I'm happy about.